Good morning, everyone, and are you having a marvelous, great, fantastic, superb, wonderful, stupendous, outrageous, terrific, even to the point of being eggishly ectastic day? You know I am, for I am the Basket Case, the one and only Basket Case. Now, last week I had a hot sauce drinking video, and as you saw, that my shot glass was a relatively large one. Yeah, I drank a lot of hot sauce. So, I made a few mistakes in that one. One, I drank with a relatively empty stomach. Not good. I would advise everyone out there never ever to drink hot sauce like that. I will give you the brief details. Once the hot sauce got into my stomach, it was fine. When it hit my intestines, the problem started. Vast amount of pain, stomach pains. Never had that before happen. Nope. Had to run to the bathroom many times in my life. But actual stomach pains, like someone was trying to rip out your guts, nah, never happened before. This was a first for me. Let me tell you, not a pleasant experience. Second, when I was urinating, there was a burning sensation. That's a first. Didn't think it could happen. But then, hot sauce is technically a liquid, so I can see how it can transfer to that area. But again, not quite pleasant. Yeah, let's just go with that one. Yeah, and then in the evening, late in the day, basically my stomach, my body revolted completely in that I was trying to go to the bathroom and throw up at the same time. It was difficult to decide which way my body to point at the toilet. Again, first time! That was a day of a lot of firsts. Well, I've told you my experiences with this, and let this be a lesson to you. Do not be a basket case. It can be painful. But now I am going to show you a video from my past. This was on my grandfather's farm in 1974. I was 9. So do not blame me for what you see. I was 9. This was not even in Canada. This was in Macedonia. So, not even in this country. I was 9, so I was a minor. And technically it was a farm. And it was very humanely done. And this video is to prove the old saying, running around like a chicken without its head. There you go. And here I am, with a chicken in my hand, going towards my grandfather, who has another chicken in his hand. There he is. He's going to cut off the head now. There it is. It is off. Very humanely. It's dead. It doesn't know it's dead. Too stupid to know it's dead. Still trying to run away. Very stupid chicken. And there's a couple of minutes later. And still running around. Both of them are still moving. Wow. That is some stupid chickens. Don't know when they are dead. Still flapping. And there I'm holding a dead chicken. Okay. Technically still moving, but dead. Too stupid to know that. I think they stopped. There you go. As you saw with that, those chickens were running around for quite a while without their heads. Very humane. They're too stupid to realize they're dead. They're too stupid to realize they've been dead for 5 minutes. They're still trying to get away. So, really, it was very quick and probably painless because they're too stupid to feel pain. Really. If you're still trying to run away after 5 minutes after your head's cut off, there are brain issues there. You don't have one. So, chickens, what can I say? I will have a video. I have another video from 1974. Again, I'm going to note that I was 9, and I will mention that in another video in a couple of weeks. I have, and I'm getting that one ready. This would be of me skinning a lamb. It was on a farm. This was what was done. Okay? Thank you. Good day. Good night. And may you have a marvelous, great, fantastic, superb, wonderful, stupendous, outrageous, terrific day out there. Thank you. Bye.